Welcome to Office Chaos. This is what my office looks like when I'm busy trying to prepare for a new program for the school year. My newest show is called Inspector Potential, and it's a character development program that focuses on actions. In fact, the tagline is Focus on my actions because actions show character. It's going to be a fun program full of magic, laughter, active participation by your students, and we're going to focus on key things like trustworthiness, respect, fairness, citizenship, responsibility, important key factors in building a student's potential. Now, as you know, my schedule gets really hectic during the school year, so don't wait. If you want to get a hold of me, you can get a hold of me either through cell phone, which is 763-656-3662, or by email, magic at the number 4 aceproductions.com. Or you could go to my website if you prefer it, www.for the number aceproductions.com, and see a list of all these assembly programs that I do throughout the year. I cover a 5-state area, so I'm really busy during the school year. Don't delay if you'd like a brand new assembly program that focuses on character. Thanks, and I hope to hear from you really soon.